Let's dive into accents. Both British and American accents have their own charm and significance. Choosing one depends on various factors like your audience, context, personal preference, and even professional goals. First off, the British accent carries a rich history and cultural weight. It's often associated with tradition, sophistication, and elegance. This accent has several variations ranging from the refined received pronunciation, RP, to regional accents like Cockney or Scottish. In certain contexts, especially in formal settings or international business, a British accent can convey authority and professionalism. On the other side of the pond, the American accent has its own set of perks. With its diverse range of accents from the Southern drawl to the nasal New York twang, American English is dynamic and versatile. The general American accent, often considered neutral, is widely used in media and business, making it a valuable asset for communication on a global scale. Additionally, in certain industries like tech or entertainment, an American accent might be more advantageous due to the dominance of American companies and media. Now, why is it important to pick an accent? Well, consistency in speech is crucial for effective communication. Switching between accents can confuse listeners and undermine your message. Moreover, your accent can shape people's perceptions of you. Whether you're aiming to build trust, make a good impression, or simply fit into a particular social or professional group, your choice of accent plays a significant role. That's why you have to know the differences between these accents so you can twist your tongue whenever it's necessary.